Welcome to ThinkFood. Today, we're diving into the tropical world of guava, a fruit that's not only delicious but packed with nutrition and flavor surprises. Let's explore its unique taste, texture, and benefits. Stick around to discover why guava deserves a spot in your diet. Psydium guava, or the guava tree, is native to Central America but thrives in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. This versatile tree can grow up to 30 feet tall and produces beautiful, fragrant flowers that transform into guavas. Fruits celebrated for their rich vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber content. Let's talk about the first stage, least ripe guavas. These are sour with a sharp, citrusy taste. The texture? Crunchy like an unripe pear or apple. The seeds are hard, but the tartness makes them perfect for pickling or spicing up with salt and chili powder. A zesty treat, don't you think? Moving to medium-ripe guavas, a balance between tart and sweet. Their flavor deepens, with floral and fruity notes. Softer and juicier, they're ideal for eating fresh, tossing into fruit salads, or blending into refreshing smoothies. A stage that truly showcases guava's versatility. And now, the very ripe stage, where guavas are at their sweetest. Imagine a blend of pear, strawberry, and melon with a creamy, juicy texture. Perfect for raw snacking or creating desserts like jams, jellies, and even guava paste. Have you tried pairing guava with baked goods? It's a match made in heaven. Guavas come in various types, some with pink flesh, others with white. Each has its own flavor profile, but all are equally nutritious and delicious. No matter the type, guava is a tropical gem worth savoring. Guava isn't just tasty, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with vitamin C, guava boosts your immune system. Its fiber promotes digestion, and antioxidants fight free radicals, making it a fruit that supports overall health. Plus, it's low in calories, perfect for healthy snacking. Wondering how to enjoy guava? From juices and chutneys to desserts and baked goods, guava fits every culinary mood. Experiment with guava in your recipes, and you'll discover a world of flavor possibilities. Thanks for exploring the world of guava with us on ThinkFood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. Let us know in the comments how you enjoy guava. Until next time, happy eating.